Well, welcome back to another episode, everybody. It's kind of a weird one. We're going to call this one the Raccoon Carnage. So yesterday I'm driving down the highway. I think I almost got 400 miles on it now. Following a conga line of cars, doing about 55, and all of a sudden out from underneath this SUV, maybe, I don't know, a couple hundred yards in front of me, is a raccoon, dead raccoon right in the middle of the road. Good sized raccoon too. I couldn't move it because it was just there. You're doing 55, 60 miles an hour. I hit it, and you could hear it as it's going underneath the car, then finally broke free. And so I got the car up on jacks today. And let's just say that the carnage is pretty bad. It's going to take me a while to clean up this mess. And let me show you one of the spots on the car I'm not happy about. So we're underneath here. It's car up on jack. You can see where the radiator here is now bent up. And luckily, it's not leaking, so I'm going to leave that. But there was all sorts of raccoon guts hanging there that I cleaned last night. But we'll come underneath and I'll show you some of the carnage. It's going to take a little while to clean up here because there's a lot of junk around, a lot of just raccoon guts and fur. And this is going to be the issue with this car. So what I'm thinking about doing, I'm thinking about coming forward off this tube with maybe a plate or something, and then kind of a little angle upward to protect the radiator. I don't know if anybody's ever done that, or even a tube. Weld the tube on here, like maybe 1-inch diameter, go forward, do a 90-degree bend, follow the radiator out in front, and then weld back into there. Just something to kind of protect that radiator, because I mean, this would have been something a little more solid. That radiator's gone, it's leaking, and luckily it just caught the bottom, didn't catch the core. I could probably straighten that out, but like I said, I'm going to leave it. I don't want to try to bend that aluminum around anymore. Other than that, I don't see any damage. Just a lot of, you can probably even see a drip back there. We'll come underneath the car. So let's take you back this way. Let me grab a flashlight so you guys can just see this. We're calling this here, apologize for the camera all over the place, but we'll show you some of the cool stuff under here. So you can see the oil pan. That is raccoon fur guts all up into there. You can see it up into there. Even look at the bottom of the oil filter. Yeah. Yeah, so this is going to take a while. I smelled it, and what really got my attention is yesterday when the dogs came out, even on my battery cable. Yeah, there's just crap everywhere. Looks like it kind of stops. Well, no, there's some on the transmitter. Oh, yeah, it goes on back. Fur right here. So, yeah, this could take a while to clean up. Go to wet rag and just start cleaning. So, yeah, that's the worst of it right here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah. So, we have raccoon carnage. So we're going to get over here with a wet rag. Start cleaning this thing up. It's probably going to take a little bit of elbow grease. I should have done it yesterday. It was still, oh, got even that wire right there. Look at that. That's just crap. So, it looks like it caught this side of the car and just straight on back. Yep, so we'll start cleaning it on up. We're cleaning away. And look at that. Hopefully you guys can see all that crap. That's raccoon guts and fur, and yeah, must have caught him right on the edge of that pan. Other than that, most of the rest of the stuff's cleaned up. So as you can see, it's just kind of right up into there. Yes, we're going to throw a quick video up there. You guys got to see the carnage. Show you what I might do to protect that radiator in the long run. But raccoon carnage. So luckily no damage, no harm, no foul. A little bit of cleaning. Should be good to go. I do like the white because it's easy to see that it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned off. So I'll get this video up tonight. So it'll be 2 videos, one last night, one tonight. And then I've got another one with a drive to Alice's. So we'll throw that up the next couple of nights. And then I'm probably going to go back to start adding some more of the other ones. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe and enjoy the raccoon carnage. Thanks.